Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 man, if y'all ever want to do some underglow lights in your cart, stay tuned, man. I got some coming. Got some bright ones. Don't get the cheap ones, man. Get what you pay for. I like these brackets better for mounting them because the 3M tape, like this right here by itself, it's useless. It'll fall off. This here works by your phone app. You can change the colors, beats of the music. Stay tuned, man. We're going to do the whole car with it, wire it up, everything from wiring it up to the key switch. We want to turn it off because if you wire straight to the batteries, it will kill your battery over time. So we're gonna wire it to the key switch. Y'all stay tuned, man. This is not a paid promotion. This is the kind I use here because I like it because they're super bright. Stay tuned, man. I'll post more. Watch another of my videos. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. If you want to become a member, become a member. And always remember, hey, hey, hey.